guys, Creepy today I'm gonna make another video, but a life hack video. A life hack. Only one. I don't know how to do one. Alright? So yeah. See this water bottle? If you hear this, you hear ice in it? Look, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's ice in it, right? Right? Is there ice in this water bottle?
I had practice yesterday.
But is there ice in this water bottle?
Yeah.
Hear this? Hear that moving ice? Oh, if you want free ice in your water bottle, it's just...
You better get that water bottle away from that computer.
Oops, sorry guys. If you're there. Alright. If you want free ice in your water bottle, but you don't know how, just take a couple of minutes.
And
it's very simple. All you do is take a water bottle from your fridge and don't have any ice in it. Open your freezer, then put that water bottle in it, and just wait for a couple of minutes. Keep on checking on it to make sure to see if it's frozen. If it's frozen good enough, just squeeze the heck out of it until it breaks, or just use a hammer to break it. And then boom, you got some ice in your water. And yeah, that's it for this video.